Movement number 5 of the Dragon Qigong Form is the dragon reaches the clouds and rain. Beginning posture of our feet together, toes pointing straight forward, standing nice and tall here. We open this movement by dropping the weight down and separating the legs. So we take that step out with the left leg at the same time, lifting the hands, palms up, so we're rolling that pinky edge in, spiraling up slightly with the arm and the shoulder joint here. And then turning palms down, and as we sink down, we're going to flick the fingers down, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky, all the way down, just like raindrops falling here. And then we pull back, elbows out slightly here, rounding that structure, holding that stance nice and strong. From here, we shift the weight over into the right leg, and I swing that right hand, turning the palms up, and I'm going to bend back slightly with the head and neck, following that right hand across the top, pushing out to the side, both palms up and lifting. Then turn palms down, return the head to look forwards, stepping in with that left leg and closing the stance down here. Stepping out, we lift, palms up, turn through the fingers, flicking down, pulling the hands back. This time, left hand rolls round, turning the palms up, following that left hand with the head and eyes, pushing out to the side, turn palms down, step in and relax to finish the movement. With the breath this time, breathing in and out as we sink down. Breathing in and out to relax and finish. One more time out to the right side, breathing in and out. Breathing in and out to finish. Keeping the mind focused on Dantian throughout this full set of movements, we return to standing nice and tall here.